Yes, it is windy, and we expect those winds to be with us here over the next few hours. Really not tapering off until we head later into the day. So plan on another windy one. It's not going to be nearly as windy as it was yesterday, but still winds will be a concern for us today. Outside right now from our Westfield Skycam, they've actually taken the flags down from the flagpoles. We are at least dry, though, here this morning. Let me show you the highest wind gusts reported here in western Massachusetts yesterday. Look at that, 76 miles per hour on Mount Tom. Incredible. That's what elevation will do for you. Goshen, 66 miles per hour, 63 in Westfield, 62 in Chicopee, 58 mile per hour wind gusts in Orange. So most of us were up to about 65 miles per hour or less as far as winds go, but there were some exceptions to that. Wind gusts now are not nearly as windy as they were yesterday, gusting between about 20 and 35 miles per hour. It's still windy, just not as windy. Temperatures are in the